What's the meaning of clapped out? Clapped out. Clapped out.
Clapped out. Clapped out. Clapped out is a phrase used to describe something that is no longer functioning effectively due to its age or overuse. Typically, this term refers to machinery, equipment, or vehicles that have deteriorated from constant use and lack proper maintenance. When something is clapped out, it may be unreliable, inefficient, or faulty. In some cases, it may be beyond repair and require replacement. This term is often used in informal contexts to describe items that have reached the end of their useful life and can no longer perform their intended functions.